So I just want to say that I spent today thinking about the folders in my head. We're all born into these specific type of uh, protocols. You know, um, our parents, they were raised like this type of thing, and these rules for how life is supposed to work tend to be wrong. And I experienced that right now. You know, um, they say to get the grades, to find a safe career, and to wait your turn. And I really beg to disagree. I think that you know some of these files are corrupted. But I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm starting to recognize that these ideas tend to hold me back. So today I'm deleting three things that I no longer believe in. So the first one, let me show you to you. Yeah, so the first one is the lie that hard work is the goal. So I tend to see people working four jobs, even five, that earn just above the minimum wage. I used to think that the person that suffered most won the prize. Um, I used to think that uh, the 12-hour grind was the key. I thought it was a badge of honor. But I'm looking at the world now. I see these people working multiple jobs a day, but it's being out earned by these people that work just a couple of hours a day. And they're changing the world. So it's not really about the sweat. It's for me, or I think, at least I think, it's about the leverage. So yeah, I'm thinking that we should replace this type of thing, the grind. I don't think it works. The second lie that I think is a lie, or I don't believe in anymore, is that the degree is a safety net. I'm still in university. As you can see on my background, let me show you. This is my college. Let me show you guys. Continuing, I'm still in university. I'm still doing the work, but slowly I'm realizing that a diploma, tends to be just a receipt, or a receipt for a service I think I might not even need. You know, it's just a piece of paper in the end of the day. And it's just a piece of paper that promises a good life in exchange for my curiosity. And for me, probably you too, if you're watching this video, uh, I'm not willing to make that trade anymore. I'll take the education, but I'm ignoring that safety part. With AI booming and shit, I want to be my own safety net. And the last lie, or maybe the biggest one, is the idea of waiting your turn. Society tells us to be realistic. They tell you to stay in the hallway until someone with a title opens the door for you. You know, as you look back on my videos, you can see that there in the day one it was being delusional, in day two it was being a joke. So for me, if I wait for permission to be great, which I'm in the pursuit of, quite frankly, I think I'll be waiting for 29,426 days, or the days of, or if you don't get it until now, these this number 29,000 is the day, or the number of days leading to my 100th birthday. So I guess I'm done asking. I'm realizing that the safe path is actually the riskiest move you can make, because it guarantees you'll end up exactly like everyone else. And I don't want to be everyone else. So, day 5, I'm deleting things. So, yeah, stay delusional, day 5.